guys, what's up? The Gus Channel here, and today we're going to unbox probably 2 photo packages and a part for R4, I do believe. So yeah, we did actually get this from Volvo. So yeah, let's get into it. Gee, oh god, not these stupid packing pieces of shits again. Yep, indeed. It's the part for Mr. Arthur. Electric what? Okay. The motor has some description, but even though it says horn. That's fucking strange. Oh well. Interesting. There's the front of it. I'm not going to take it out. And here's the back. It says horn. We ordered a motor. I'm not too sure if this is correct or not, but I'll soon find out. So yeah. Look at all this shit, man. Oh, fuck's sake, man. It's all over my fucking bed. Oh, fuck it. That'll do. So yeah, let's open this package, which has been there for a couple of days. Yes, I do go on Pullers now and not Johnson's. Don't know if I mentioned that in the last unboxing. Ooh, I know what this one is. One I just ordered, actually. It's related to GUE 247. The last survivor of the Stratford Blue Lane and Tiger PS1s. And it's from 1948, my one is. Ah, you fuck. Here we go. Come here, bastard. Get out of there. So here we have GUE 251, which I think is a 1949 Leyland Tiger PS1. But it's one of Mr. Blue's old sisters. That's what I call it, Mr. Blue. That's its nickname. R4's is Arthur, and R5's I ain't really thought one. I have thought of maybe one, Donny, because it was a donor bus, but yeah. That's all I thought of so far. If I think of one. Or you guys could think of one, let me know. R4's Arthur, because it's R4, obviously. And the GUE 247 is Mr. Blue, Stratford Blue. So yeah, here's the front, and here's the back. And yeah, I'm not going to put the names on them, obviously. I'm just going to call them that. I'm going to keep them how Baker's left R4 and 5, and how Withall left Stratford Blue, but obviously finish it off as they were going to do it. So yeah, here we have the second letter. Which is a photo. All the letter packages I get are either negatives, slides, or photos. What is this? Ha! It's a Christmas card lot. I'm keeping that. So here we have a BMS 415 on the Christmas card. which someone sent extra. So yeah, here's front, and there's the back. Opening up this. So here we have a Stagecoach. I don't know what make of bus it is, but the registration plate is EAP 986V. Don't know what Stagecoach is from, so yeah, I'll put in the text, I'll put the make in the text. I'm going to start doing that again since I've nearly caught up. Yeah, it's quite an old Stagecoach, and the photo is quite old, it's in black and white. So here's front, there's the back. Next we have an Me coach, whatever they are, I'll look it up. Oh no, I'll just look at the reg and find out. The registration plate on this one is, it says Midland, I think. Registration is P602 HVT. Pop that one there. Next one we have GUE 253, which is also one of Mr. Blue's old sisters. But this end in the Stratford Blue livery like the GUE 251 was. And I ordered this one before actually. Yeah, I can't remember what company it is, but yeah, I'll pop all of them in the text now. So yeah, GUE 253. Here's the front, here's the back. I'll do it like I used to. Next we have 342 TJO. Don't know what make it is. I've been on one of these before, but not in the livery. But I've been on a make of their bus before at a show. So yeah, here's the front, here's the back. To be honest, I wouldn't mind one of them buses myself. And yeah, obviously this one that I showed, I think, but I'll just do it again. BMS 415. Don't know what make it is. Looks like a Leyland Tiger on a Christmas card. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Here's the front, and there's the back. Now it's time to get that thumbnail. So thank you guys for watching, and peace out. So guys, that didn't look hard enough in the package because there is some more done by. So yeah, let's get back into the unboxing. Idiot. I think the horn is for R5, I do believe. So I think it needs another horn. Or his horn is broken, I'm not too sure. What have we got here then? What is this? Rear Markerite lenses? Fuck yeah, this is for R4. Oh hell yeah, man! Oh, I have got some more. I hate this bubble wrap sometimes, but it's protecting, so I'll let it off. Hang up, bitch. Get the fuck out of here. Don't want to break my new marker, even though it don't need new ones, but the lenses are scratched and I can't really find them. There we go. It's fucking tape. Oh, you little shit. Ah, thank God for that. There. Here's Mr. R4's new rear marker light lens. Here's the front. And there's the back. I just want it to look brand new. I'll get the other one out. You don't need them, but the other, I said they're a bit scratched. So yeah, let's get some new ones. Here we have the last rear marker light lens. Here's the front. There's the back. I will get some for R5 in the future when we get round to it. Ooh, what the fuck is this? I'm not going to unbox these, but here are some bolts of some description. Here's the front. There's the back. That's the last of it. Okay, some more screws. Wait, what the fuck are these? I don't fucking know, actually. I thought I was only getting a screen wash motor thing. So I thought I was just fucked on one of them. Piece of garbage! Eh. What is this? Oh. It's the cup holder for the R5. Da, da, da. That's fucking weird. Yeah, it is meant to go on like this. It's because of half a coach and I'm not used to it. That's R5's new cup holder. Here's front, here's the back. There's something else in here. Because basically R5's old cup holder broke at Baker's. So R4's cup holder broke at Baker's. I don't know how. So what they did, well, R5 is still in service, and obviously they didn't really use it to go far, only on school buses R5. And yeah, R5's cup holder got nicked and put it on R4, so it's finally getting one back. And I've got a feeling this is the starter motor, not starter motor, already nicked that off R5, but we'll give her a new one. And yeah, this is the screen wash motor, I think. Here's the front, here's the back. Now, let's finally get the thumbnail and move all this shit out the way. Obviously, I'll just put in the split screen, so yeah, let's get into it. So thank you guys for watching and peace out.